Right, I'm going to draw a triangle. Right. And then I'm going to extend one line, and then I will get an external angle. So this will be my internal angle, this will be my external angle. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, now this is three internal angles. These two angles are the opposite internal angle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them off, right? So I'm going to cut them off, right? I'm going to cut them off. I want to show you what's going to happen, right? So, oopsie. Okay. So it's almost off, right? Cut it off, almost. Off, right? So there's one external angle I cut off, and internal, sorry, the opposite internal angles, I'm going to cut them off. There's my second one. Right, hopefully this one, okay, there it's going, okay, almost. Right, this is my second one, and look what I'm going to do. I'm going to place them there at the on the external angle, and guess what, they are equal to the external angles. So the two opposite internal angles equals the external angle.